There is something happening with AI that I need you to know about. So we're doing this impromptu video, getting this out to you as soon as possible. Look at this. So today, inside of my free group, Your First 5K Club, there were two people who talked about how they got paid to build a landing page with Lovable AI. It's a type of AI platform where you go in and you talk to Lovable, you tell it what you want. You can type in sentences, you can paste my instructions, and it gives you these beautiful websites and landing pages. You can use it to make things for yourself and do what Anjanette and Vibrine did, which is make something for someone else and they buy it from you. So 5 hours ago, Vibrine says, today I got paid to create my first Lovable site and an astrology consult. I'm feeling happy because the sun shone extra bright for me today. Recently, I joined a walking group and put into practice what Arlan taught us in the Lovable Hackathon. And I'm going to tell you about the Lovable Hackathon in just a moment. She says, last week, the organizer said this is just what she needs and will come back to me. And today she did. Along with paying £300 for the one pager, she also paid me £350 for an astrology consult. Yay! Tomorrow, I'm off to speak to a group of baby boomers about AI. Never know who I might meet. Smiley face. Let's all keep doing our thing. And yeah, she's getting a lot of love. And this is so cool. And then an hour ago, and Jeanette said, landing page number 2, paid. She says, this is officially proof of concept for me. Now that she's done this twice, it wasn't a fluke, right? The first time. I just met with the father-daughter team who was working on a nonprofit project helping to prevent school shootings and giving kids in the community a place to come where they can be seen, heard, and feel safe. I'm so grateful for the opportunity to serve my community in a way that seems simple, but it will have a huge impact. Arlan, thank you for all that you do. I pray that God continues to bless you beyond anything you can ever imagine. And she's getting love. It's because what they did was they went to my hackathon. They either went to it live or they watched the replay. This is the hackathon. I will put this link below in the description and pin comment, but it's basically on my Stan store. If you go to stan.store/ my first name, Arlan, you will see this listed. Okay, you'll see it listed like this right here. And what it is, a hackathon is basically where a lot of people get together and they build something. And it's usually technical based. And so we did a hackathon where you can get the replay. You get the replay. You get 2 days of a replay. It's so, so good. It's step by step. You also get these elite prompts. And what prompts are the words and instructions that you put into various AI platforms. So you get prompts to put into ChatGPT and to put into Lovable. And these prompts help you build and they help you audit people's pages to understand how to talk to your potential customer. It's very, very valuable. This should at least be $299, if not more. But it's on sale right now for $99. And here's a cool thing. If you scroll down, you can actually select this button and you'll have an add-on of the 360 pass that we have inside of your first 5K. And you just click this button. So it's normally $99 for the replay, right? If you click this button, you'll pay just 360 and you'll get this included. Let me show you what the 360 pass is all about. But these Lovable landing pages are killer. So if you go here, you go into the classroom, this is a free membership, right? But if you go into a 360 pass, you can only go into it if you've paid to get in there. You go into it And you have all these tracks. So the first thing you get a couple of messages from me. Second thing you get is you get this website. You can go to it if you want to, but you get this handbook that tells you exactly how to use the 360 pass. And it tells you the different sections, the different tracks. And we have four tracks, okay? YouTube, sales, so you can get paid, AI, which is lovable, that's in that, and community, which is a word that's hard for me to say. So the next thing you get is you get to register. I do a call every Tuesday live with my 360 Pass members, and there are more than 1,100 360 Pass members since January. So this is a really cool group of people, okay? Maybe about anywhere from 50 to 150 people come to the lives. Then you get a discount on my Authority X Pro, which you can learn more about here. And then again, you have these tracks. You have these tracks. So the YouTube track, sales, AI, community. Now, let's close these up and then I'll take you to the AI track. If you click on that, look, you get the Lovable Hackathon Replay, the same thing that you could buy by itself over here. You actually get it over here. It comes with the prompts. I'm not going to click on it because it'll show you too much. You also get the VIP prompt that you do not get here. If you buy this by itself, you do not get this VIP prompt that helps you just build an entire business around this. And remember, people are getting paid $300 or more. Some people were charging like 150 per page, but people are getting paid 300, 400, $500 per page. You also get my Lovable Revenue Challenge replay, which is a 3-day replay. So you get 2-day replay here, another 3-day replay. You also get Lovable OS, which is an AI tool that I built that gives you an unlimited number of prompts to build anything you can think of, and a lot more. And that's just in the AI track, YouTube track, sales track, community track. It's just crazy over here. And as if that wasn't enough, you now, as of about 2 months ago, you now get weekly office hours almost like every day of the week, except for Saturdays. Every single day of the week, you get you get a different type of live call you can jump into if you want to. Sundays are for mindset. Mondays are sales with Colin Yearwood. Tuesdays are YouTube. Wednesdays are school. Thursdays are AI. Fridays are advanced growth. And then Tuesdays, in addition to YouTube, you get my weekly call. So you get 7 expert calls per week. You can go to none of them. You can go to all of them. You can go to one or two. I suggest one or two. Anytime you have a problem, you just pop into office hours for 15 minutes, ask a question, and you're good. All of this is included in 360 Pass. Now, if we go back to the hackathon, the way it works is that you press play on the hackathon for day one. I walk you through step by step how to use Lovable. And then I give you a website that has the prompts that you copy and paste. And we had people on there all ages. We had people in their 60s, their 70s in there working this, okay? We had people who had never ever used AI before. We had people who didn't know what Lovable was before they joined. But we just very patiently and methodically worked together. In fact, if I do the word hackathon, let's see, let's see. Ellen says, Arlan, I just have to say, you truly have the patience of a saint when teaching because I just really slow down for everybody. It's all good. It's okay if you don't know if you can do this. Nako, 15 days ago, I just closed my first sale from the Lovable Hackathon through a warm lead. It was a redesign project, and the client was thrilled with how it turned out. How cool is that? What, like this is super cool. Then we had some winners and did some interviews. This is too cool. See if there's anyone else. Yeah, Candace is just like over the moon about the hackathon, just loving it. Uh, Hackathon was amazing, Teresa says. For some reason, I couldn't get it on the second day. I will watch the replay. but she did the first one, the first day, and she loved it. Now, this person made $5,000 in one day. So LaShonda said, you can do it too. I made $5,000 today using what Arlan Hamilton taught us in the Lovable Hackathon. I created a sales page using Lovable, presented it to someone already in my ecosystem with their information, and they were so excited they wanted to know if I could help them with finishing the project. We brainstormed and agreed on $5,000 with an upgrade option to host a web page. You can do it too. Follow the blueprint. Are you kidding me? Now this is not going to be everybody's results, but it just keeps happening. It just keeps happening. It just keeps happening. Martin, first sale after watching the hackathon replay. I created athlete opportunity pages that athletes and their pages can use to host all of their highlights. You see what I'm saying? He built this. He built this from our hackathon. Isn't that the coolest? Too cool. So go to the links below or go to stand.store/Arlan. Grab the hackathon. If you want to get the 360 pass, you can just add it here so you can get all the other stuff you need to build an entire business around this. I'll see you in there.